Faculty of Geotechnical Engineering. So here I have taken a question from the foundation engineering. That is a footing 3 meter square carries a gross pressure of 350 kilonewton per meter square at a depth of 1.2 meter in sand. The saturated unit weight of sand is 20 kilonewton per meter cube and unit weight above water table is 17 kilonewton per meter cube. The shear strength parameters are 3 dash or cohesion equal to 0 and phi equal to 30, whereas the NQ equal to 22 and N gamma equal to 20. So the question has been asked about the determine the factor of safety with respect to the shear failure if the water table is at 1.2 meter below ground level. So these are the data that I have taken from the question. The size of footing is 3 meter into 3 meter. Gross pressure is 350 kilonewton per meter cube, and the depth of footing is 1.2 meter. The saturated unit weight, that is at the base of the footing, is 20 kilonewton per meter cube, and the unit weight above the base of footing is 17 kilonewton per meter cube. And these are the shear strength parameters. So in the question has been asked to determine the factor of safety from the above data. So this is the footing. This footing is resting on soil surface, and the load acting on the soil is about 350 kilonewton per meter square, where the depth of the footing is 1.2 meter and width is 3 meter, and the water table is lies at the just immediate base of the footing. So we know that from the Sarchaki analysis, the bearing capacity or the ultimate bearing capacity of soil is 1.3 CNC plus gamma dNq plus 0.4 gamma submerged B N gamma. Why this gamma submerged is included here is just because the water table is here, so I have taken this gamma submerged. So it is a equation resistance, value of C is 0. So we know that the Q Nu equal to Qu minus gamma D, where the Q is here, ultimate bearing capacity of soil, Q Nu is here, net ultimate bearing capacity of soil, and gamma and D is the unit weight of soil above the footing. So by solving this, we will be getting this formula, and the design condition is that the safe bearing capacity or the bearing capacity of soil should be more than the load coming into the footing. So here we can write that, here we can write the Qs is more than or equal to Q, or we can write that this Q is equal to Qs. So in question, the value of Q is 350 kilonewton per meter square, and by putting this Qs and Q in this formula, so we will be getting gamma D NQ minus 1 minus 0.4 gamma submerged with N gamma by factor of safety plus gamma D. So by putting these values, we will be getting the final answer is 2.05. Thank you.